Crude oil WTI has traded in a very narrow range throughout this day, neither willing to go up and nor willing to go down. At the same time, natural gas has stayed bullish as we expected, as we discussed. And yes, once again, 2.68 levels. That is what we had discussed. That 2.68 levels and 2.7 levels are the two levels beyond which only further bullishness will be observed. It has shown the rise, almost 3% rise till towards 2.68. I hope you all profited. Now, what to expect with the US session, which position you should take trading crude and net gas, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon, which keeps you updated with the twice a day analysis. This is the second update for the day. Those who watched the first update definitely would have profited. Let's start first to look into US crude, followed with net gas. Do watch till the end. Now see, if you look at the US crude formation, 72 is the base it has created. With that, we have seen a rise. It is forming a flag after this sharp rise. It is still trading bullish till the time it stays above 72. We should not treat oil as bearish. The possibility for it to retrace till there exists. However, a sell entry only I will recommend now is below 73 or 72.8 levels, below which you can expect 72.5 and 72 as a greater support. Right now, if you look at this, is trading in this bearish channel. A breakout above 73.6, yes, can probably take it for 73.8 and 74, but I will specifically watch for 74 levels to be breached. Yes, the moving averages are still with trading with divergence and are still bullish. If you look at stochastic, this is rising. MACD is bearish. It is trading with divergence. RSI is also comfortable, neither bullish nor bearish. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, see the prices are still divergent here. It is converged here, trying to again look upwards, but we have to remain definitely watchful and careful here. A sell entry at 72.8 can be taken, but then 72.5 first support and 72 the ultimate support will come into picture. At the same time, a buying entry at 73.6 can be taken, but then 73.8 and 74 are the two levels which needs to be breached in order to confirm the rise. You can see this trying to trade in this bullish channel. Stochastic has dropped, trying to recover. The MACD on the other hand has shown a crossover for a sell entry B. This is a slight bearish sign. However, it is coming at a comfortable zone. It is still has the room for it to rise. RSI near to highs. And if you look at 3-hour charts, now on the 3-hour charts, rise, retracement, and again looking upwards, it is still not yet touched the 20 period or 50 period moving average. Trading with divergence, trading bullish. Above 73.6, yes, more bullishness can prevail. Stochastic at bottom. MACD willing to cross over for a sell, and this is also still has got the room for it to rise further. RSI has dropped a bit. And on the 4-hour charts, now on the 4-hour charts, here is the observation where you could see that the previous was a swing candle. This is also turning out to be a swing candle. Possibly it can try to take it little bit down. How far? 72.5 levels cannot be denied. Possible sell entry can be taken at around 72.8, but then 72.5 is an ultimately very good support, and then 72. Stochastic has dropped. MACD willing to cross over for sell. RSI at top. And on the daily chart, now see on the daily charts, we have seen a megaphone pattern here. Consistent candles with tails out there, and we can see the bullishness imbibed in it. Also, it was also outside Bollinger Bands. Now the Bollinger Band width has expanded, and you can see throughout this day we have seen little swing here. Now see, the moving averages are starting to converge, good sign for the bulls, but at the same time it increases the opportunity for the price to converge till towards this level and wait for at least moving average to come up and then take the support from 72 and bounce back. So possibility exists for this here. The stochastic certainly is overbought on the daily charts. However, it can continue here. The MACD is extremely divergent and bullish here. Now see, the peak here it is shown here. The possibility for it to converge from here exists, which means a drop. RSI is flat. So considering this, you can buy here at 73.6 levels, but then be careful of 73.8 and 74. Only above 74. Yes, 74 is a near-term resistance. We can see this since long now, almost last 2 to 3 months. Crude oil getting the resistance from 74, and it is trading below these levels, and hence this level becomes extremely important for oil to break past. At the same time, a sell entry at 72.8. However, 72.5, 72 are the two greater supports and then 71 levels to be seen. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at natural gas. And yes, before we proceed, if you want to learn the art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. The 23rd batch starts today. You can still be part of it. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at Nat Gas 2.68 levels, as we discussed, has proven out to be a greater resistance throughout this day. Yes, if you see it trading about 2.6, but I will specifically wait for it to break past 2.7, 2.71 levels. Beyond that, certainly more bullishness is going to prevail here. Stochastic has dropped on the hourly charts. MACD is still bullish, trading with divergence. RSI is comfortable, neither bullish nor bearish, but yes, it has a positive slope as of now. And on the 2 hour, similar observation, my favorite 2.68 needs to be breached in order for further bullishness. At the same time, now a sell entry can be taken at around 2.63 levels, but then 2.62 and 2.6 are two stronger support. Below that, certainly we may see it dropping till towards 2.55, the greater support levels. Stochastic is dropping here. MACD is divergent and bullish, looking upwards. RSI is also looking upwards, staying bullish. And on the 3 hour charts, yes, the candle is still green and it has formed a recovery, beautiful recovery here. The resistance is seen here at 2.68, very strong resistance here. Till 2.7, 2.72 zone also, it is going to get maximum resistance. Beyond that, we are going to look at 2.75 and 2.8 as the next targets. Yes, the prices were divergent from the moving average. We have seen the conversion till towards the 50 and 100 period moving average. Stochastic overbought, MACD divergent and bullish, looking upwards. RSI is also looking upwards, showing some signs of bullishness. And on the 4 hour charts also, similar is the observation, nothing different. Here also, the MACD crossing over for a buy, trading with divergence, looking upwards. RSI is also looking upwards. Now coming to the daily charts, see the candle is green. Previous candle was a step candle. It has shown a good rise. It has come back till towards the resistance at 2.68 and possibly it can rise till towards 2.72 at max. So yes, you can buy still at 2.68, expect 2.72 levels, but then above 2.75. And see, I will specifically in the near term for the week, I will wait for 2.8 to be breached. Beyond 2.8, sky is the limit for net gas. Remember this fact, and hence any point of time, if you see net gas trading about 2.8, just stay long. This time it must hit $3 levels. Stochastic at bottom, MACD extremely bearish and divergent, and that is why you can see a little conversion and a greener candle on the charts. RSI is looking upwards. Considering this, 2.68 is a good buying entry. For the sell entry, you can sell here at 2.63 levels, but then 2.6 is a very good support. 2.6 and 2.58 rather, I will say. This zone is a very good support for net gas, and only if you see net gas below 2.58, further bearishness might take it for 2.55 and 2.5 levels, the next stronger support. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much.